We are entering day 3 of our 7-day challenge where we are purging and decluttering at least 40 items every day over the next 7 days. So I decided to tackle my kitchen cabinet that holds all of my plastic containers. I've cleared out this cabinet before and I struggle with this cabinet. I don't know, some of the containers I purchased and others, people give me containers with food in it, and I really try to give people back their containers, but I don't know what happens. But all I know is I end up with this mess I have right here, where I have tops that have no bottoms and bottoms that have no tops. I don't know, but could you put it in the comments below? How do you keep your kitchen cabinets, the ones that has the plastic containers, how do you keep that from just becoming a big mess? How do you keep it organized? Help your girl out. Well, this is the before and after. This is the way it looks. I'm hoping to keep it like this at least through Thanksgiving. But if you have some ideas for me, please help me and let me know. So what will you be purging on day 3 as we push to become organized in the month of October? Until tomorrow, have a blessed day.